Yes.
You say before you switch to Amazon, you list on eBay, right?
Yeah, on eBay, also
So
on
what the
Fiverr.
reason? What the reason why you switch to Amazon?
The reason why I switched to Amazon because I was tired of trading time for money. And on eBay, you know that every time that you list a product, you have to at least have a picture of the product, right? You have to grab it from another platform, list it on eBay, write something about the product description, and then you have to pricing your products. And when a customer purchases your products, you have to print out the labels.
Okay.
You have to buy packages from USPS or to grab it or at least store it in your house. Put the product in, stick the label, and then drive to USPS. Wait in line, and it's your turn. Talk to the counter, the shipper, and then have to scan them. And then they scan, you ship it, and then you have to drive back home. And then a couple of days later, the customer email you and say this product wasn't what I expected. I need some extra money refund. And then you have to customer service them.
Yeah, some return. Yeah,
Yeah, they all do that. And then you have to customer service them. And then eventually, it's just lengthy process. And for to met the guy, to met my friend that did 12,000 without doing anything, that was my dream because I don't want to do that. I don't want to do all the tedious tasks and putting and then not able to travel to do the things that I love, you know. And the
that
Amazon,
mean Amazon help you create the system, automated automation system, right?
yes, they have a system where they do all of the work for you, from shipping the products to the customer to handling the customer service, handling returns, and also the images of your product. You only need to do it one time on Amazon. You have
Mm.
just list the product images up there, copywritings, and then it's run for years and years. And let's say you have holiday season, you can change it up, and that was it. You don't have to constantly look out for more products, because on eBay you always have to find product that give you margin, right?
Mm.
On
Yeah.
Amazon, just one product, and then you can add more if you want to make more.